Let us start today's lecture, right? Binomial theorem, just I am giving some introduction, then we will solve 2020 questions. Okay, 2020 questions we will do it. Okay, first binomial theorem. What is the expansion of binomial theorem? What is the expansion of binomial theorem? Suppose ax plus y whole power n is there. So what is the expansion of binomial theorem? nc0 x to the power of n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 y square plus nc3. If I take nc3, what I will get? X power n minus 3 y cube plus so and so plus ncr x to the power of n minus r into y power r plus so and so plus ncn y power n. This is what we called as binomial theorem, right? Okay, this is called binomial theorem, right? In that, this nc0 is the first term. Okay, nc1 is the second term. nc2 is the third term. What is this term name? What is this term name? ये टर्म क्या होगा? n/2 कुछ भी odd term. Use the brain little bit. See, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Can you tell me what is this term? R plus 1 term. If you have 0, you have first term, nc1 second term, nc2 third term, ncr means tr plus 1th term, right? So tr plus 1 is equal to, we can write as tr plus 1 is equal to, we write as ncr x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. This is what we called as general term. What do we call this is? General term of the binomial, right? This is called general term. So you have n power, so number of terms will be how much? Number of terms in the expansion? Number of terms in the expansion? बोलो मैडम. n plus 1, Tejaswini, yeah. n plus 1 terms, right? Number of terms in the expansion is how much? n plus 1. I think better you go and revise once. All you have to revise once again, I think. So number of terms will be how much? n plus 1 terms will be number of terms. So this is binomial expansion. X plus y whole power n, we can write like this. This is a binomial expansion where nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3, ncr, ncn, these are called binomial coefficients. What we call them? Binomial coefficient. This is called as general term. This general term will be useful to find any term in the binomial coefficients. Suppose if I want 100 term in this, I can find 100 term. It depends on this power n. Okay, this power n. Okay, it depends on the power n, and power should be always, here is this binomial theorem is for n is a positive integer. Okay, n is a positive integer. It is defined for n is equal to positive integer. Is it okay? What is NCR formula? What is NCR formula?
N factorial by r factorial and n minus r.
N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, so this is NCR formula. NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Suppose if I want 5c3, so what I can write? 5 factorial by, what we can write? 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. This value you can know how to solve, right? So this 5 factorial I can write like 5 factorial. This is I can write 2 factorial into 3 factorial. We can simplify over on the top. You can do it, na? How to write this one? 5 factorial can I write as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial I can write as 2 into 1, and that is 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel, 5 2s are 10. So 5c3 value is how much? 10. Acha. Then you have learned another thing, concept NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Did you learn this? Yes, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 5c3 will be equal to what? 5c3 will be equal to what? 5c2. Correct? Is it right? Right, right. So now what I am going to do it. So this is general things what you have learned in the previous. Okay, what I will say is you just watch again. Otherwise, once revise the notes. Right? Now, generally this thing is most important. Like you have 1 plus x whole power n. What is the expansion of this? What is the expansion of this? इसका expansion क्या होगा? Okay, sorry. Shit. What is the expansion of this? What's the expansion of this? Say Shruti. हाँ?
Same thing, just put a instead of x and y.
हाँ बोलो वही बोलो. Tell me answer, tell me. हाँ क्या है इसको remember करो जल्दी जल्दी से. See here, as you have the formula, right? NC0. NC0 we write as NC0 1 power n, right? 1 power n is how much? 1, right? Plus NC1 1 power how much you get? N minus 1. 1 power how much you get? N minus 1. And x power 1. So x. Are you getting what I said? Huh? NC2 what I get? NC2 what I get here? 1 power n minus 2. I get how much? X square. NC3 what I get here? 1 power n minus 3 x cube. Correct? Right? Plus so and so what I get here? NCN x power n. Right? So 1 plus x whole power n, na, always you have to remember. इसको think नहीं करना है. We should not think about that. फटाफट बोलना है. What is this answer? NC0 plus NC1x plus NC2x square plus NC3x cube plus so and so plus NCn x power n. You should remember this. Okay? You should not think about this one expression. Okay? Fine? So if I substitute x is equal to 1, what I'll get? If I substitute x is equal to 1. This is 1 plus 1, right? 2 power n I will get. 1 plus 1, 2 power n is equal to what you get here? NC0 plus NC1 into x value is 1 plus NC2 x square is 1 plus NC3 plus so and so plus NCn. Means I am going to get binomial coefficients. Correct? Sum of binomial coefficients is what? 2 power n. Correct? Right. So you should remember this point. What I am telling, this is you have to remember. If I substitute x is equal to minus 1, if I substitute x is equal to minus 1, if I substitute x is equal to minus 1, what I will get? If I substitute here 1 plus minus 1, that is 0. 0 power anything is 0. So I will get as how much? 0 is equal to what I get? NC0 minus. In the place of x you get minus. Minus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square minus NC3 into x cube. है ना? x लिखूं? आप बोल रहे नहीं सर? Should I write x?
No.
Why I am writing x? I should write minus 1 na there. Then only I got this. You people are not telling. I am testing you. Right? What you will get? NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus NC4 minus NC5. उसके बाद लास्ट में क्या आएगा बताओ? बोलो. कहाँ सर? ये लास्ट में क्या लिखा? NCN. वेरी गुड, सुपर. इधर प्लस लिखूं माइनस लिखूं? माइनस. फिक्स. एन कौन है? Who is n? We don't know na n. Minus 1 power n. If n is odd, then you get minus. If n is even, you will get plus. Minus 1 power n. Na? This is okay? Right, note down. We will do 2020 question now. See here, this is the question which is asked in JEE Mains 2020. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, the question says that sum of all coefficients of even powers in this, sum of all coefficients of even powers in this is 61. Then what is the value of n? N is equal to not 1. What is the value of n? Okay, sir, any doubt? So he is saying that sum of all coefficients of even powers in this product is 61. Then what is the value of n? You know, all sum related I explained. Do you remember? Coefficients, sum of coefficients. All this I explained in the past lectures. Don't know? Number of terms, sum, all I explained. Do not remember? Okay, fine. I will explain. Don't worry. See what I will say. Just go once again. You watch binomial theorem. Already you wrote the notes, right? Once you watch, what happens? If you watch, then next day when you come, it will be easy for you, right? So here this is what they given. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so and so minus x power 2n into, this is into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so and so plus x power 2n. If there, this is saying sum of binomial coefficients, when you will get, if you substitute in the place of x is 1. If you substitute in the place of x is 1, what you will get? You will get sum of binomial coefficients. I explained here, you just go to back and see my lectures. I explained such kind of questions, many things. Not this type, I explained another type, x plus 2n, x plus 2y, 2x type questions I explained. Power n is there, numbers, coefficient, sum of coefficient related. Okay. So what is here asking? This is there. So I want to tell you that you know that NC0 plus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square plus, this is you know, right? This expansion you know, NCn x power n. If I put x is equal to 1, this will give you result of sum of binomial coefficients. Correct? So if I put x is equal to 1 in this, what I get here? 1 minus 1 plus 1 square minus 1 plus so and so minus 1. Correct? Into I'll get as what here? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so and so 1 plus. That is equal to, do you understand? In the place of x I substituted 1 1 1 1. Right? That is equal to what I will get here? NC0 plus NC1 into x is 1, right? Plus NC2 plus NC3 plus so and so plus NCn. Correct? These are some of binomial coefficients. Is it clear? Right? So can you tell me this? This is, can I cancel this one, this one? Like this I can cancel. So all will be cancelled, anything will be left. 1 will be left, right? Right? Why? Because even, this is even terms are there. So here if I even means 1, 2, 3, it means power is even, means you will get even terms. So all these even terms will be cancelled, but still this 1 will be left here. Okay. Now here 1 1 1 1 like this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if I add how many ones I will get?
n times 1.
और सोचो. Good. And I see from here to here 2n, and this is 1. So totally how many terms will be? 2n plus 1 terms. So n will be added 2n plus 1 times. Okay. It means the total is getting here, this is 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 is equal to what I am getting? NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus so and so plus NCn I am getting. So this is what I got. Correct? Any doubts in this? Right. Now if I substitute x is equal to minus 1. Let us substitute x is equal to minus 1, right? Oh, so whatever explained, this is okay. X is equal to minus 1, you substitute. Should I explain once again? I think that corner, it is not visible in video. I didn't check it. Okay, can I explain once again? See, the question is given, if the sum of all coefficients of even powers in this is 61, then what is the value of n? This is the question. So what I am taking here, this question I am taking, that is equal to, I am writing nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x plus, see this is previously I explained, na? What is 1 plus x whole power n expansion, this one. When I substitute x is equal to 1 there, so if I substitute in this, okay, if I substitute, I will get all binomial coefficients. And I told you this is plus 1, minus 1, all will cancel out. 1 will be left because 2n plus 1 terms are there. 2n terms will be cancelled, but 1 term will be there, 1 will be left here. And here will be 2n plus 1 terms will be there, total will be 2n plus 1, right? 1 will be added to n plus 10, so 2n plus 1 is equal to this. Now if I substitute x is equal to minus 1, so what I get here? 1, x plus minus 1 I substitute, so plus 1, and here I get as minus 1 square is 1, here I get as plus 1, correct? Like that I will get plus 1, all plus 1 I will get, correct? So these are, how many I will get? 2n plus 1 terms, right? These are terms, okay, terms. And here I will get what here? Here what I will get? 1, x plus minus 1, and here 1 square minus 1 plus so and so I will get minus 1, correct? And that is equal to what I will get if I substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this, right? What I will get, that is nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus nc4, like that, like this, plus ncn, correct? Right? Okay, so finally what I will get here, this will be 2n plus 1 times, and all will be cancelled, 1 will be left here. So this will be bad, how much I get? 2n plus 1 n terms, and once added 2n plus terms, this is equal to what I am going to get here? nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus so and so plus ncn I will get. This is second. Is it clear? So I got two things, right? Two equations, correct? Is it understood?
Then if we substitute minus 1 to the x, then minus 1 to the power of n. There. NCN if we substitute x minus 1 in place of x, then minus power to the raise n. Then they are not. NCN.
Alright, leave it. Okay. You want that, right? Okay, fine, cool. Right now I'll add these both. So I'll add these both. Why I am adding these both is given that sum of all coefficients of even power is 61. So if they given odd powers, then I will subtract. Even is said, so I will add. So I will get even power terms. So I am going to add first equation and second equation. So if I add 1 plus 2, what I will get here? 1 plus 2 if I add 2n plus 2n, 4n, right? Plus here 1 plus 1, 2. And this is what I get if I add this and this. Okay, nc0 plus nc0, 2nc0. And this nc1, nc3, cancel. So what I get here? 2 times of so and so. So here I get as 4n plus 2 is equal to 2 into sum of even powers, how much they given?